Okay, so it's super important to clear away that mustache before you put on anything on the lips. You gotta get rid of it. You know, we're women. We're not men. We can't have mustaches. Going in with the Olay Super 5-in-1 Facial Cleanser. I absolutely love this product. It's a very pretty pink iridescent color, and it smells really good, like a nice floral with fruits mixed in, and it's super pretty too, because it comes out, like I said, iridescent pink. I like the creaminess. It gives great creamy, and it has really good aromatherapy with it, because it does smell good. I will give you that. It looks good, it smells good, and it feels good. Yes, I use a freaking paper towel because I don't want to put a dirty toil on myself. So I'm going in with the Olay Super Serum. Boom, boom. Nice moisture to the skin. Also pretty pink iridescent. Smells really good. Can you see that it's pink? I rubbed that in really nicely. Make sure you get everything. Oops. My bad. Wasting product is not a good thing to do. Tap it into the skin. Tap, 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 tap. Yes, honey, tap it in. Don't forget the neck. People always forget the neck. And that was the Olay Super Serum with the Olay 5-in-1 facial wash. Brush your teeth. If you don't brush your teeth, I mean, come on. You don't want to walk around here looking like yuck mouth. Brush your teeth, brush your teeth. I'm going in with the Medicube 15% TSA on my dark spots. You see, I've been using this. I get a monthly subscription from Amazon every 3 months. And it's about time to renew it. Well, not renew it, but it's time for another batch to come in next month. I'm excited for that. Let it fully dry. Continue brushing my teeth. I usually brush my teeth for like 10 minutes. I know it's crazy. People just get in and go, and they don't really get up in there, and they don't brush their tongue. They don't do that, but I do. Because I'm not trying to have dentures. Are you trying to have dentures? You can have dentures if you want to, but it ain't going to be me. I'm not going to tell you what this is yet, because this is going to be in my next video, but it's also a nice staple to have. It's a facial moisturizer, so moisturize it on top of your serum. Alright, my favorite part, I'm a lip girl. I love, this was my MAC pencil, but I don't even use the MAC pencil. I didn't use this pencil, but this is my MAC pencil. It's a brown. I always do brown liners. Okay, so these are Jeffree Star. I think we're supposed to be hating Jeffree Star. I don't know. I really don't know. They were like $3, and I couldn't pass that up, and I got 3 of these for like $10 on Whatnot. So whatever. I'm sorry. Well, I'm not supporting him, right? I'm supporting the reseller. Yeah. Okay. But I really like the pen. These go on so smooth. The only thing I would want to improve is the pigment. I don't feel like it's dark enough. But look, check it out. How do you guys feel about this color? This is a beautiful brown. Gorgeous brown. If you're interested, I'm going to try and link them in the description. But this is a really pretty brown. It goes on so smooth, like it's like a silky satin glide. I never have a problem with this. I have 3 of these pens, but I'm really stuck on this one brown liner right here. It's super pretty. So I'm attempting to do a pink lip. Look, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying. I'm just enjoying being a girl. Okay, so I'm blurring it in. Just blurring it so it's not like a hard edges. Just tap, tap, tap. Blur, blur, blur. That's all. I don't want it to look sharp. Beautiful. Yes, honey. Yes. Clock that T. lining it again. And then it's amazing. Honestly, I should have just stopped there. Unimpressed. I'm gonna go ahead. That's my pixie setting. I'm gonna use my one size setting powder in pink, and I'm just going to. Oh, so pretty! Oh my god, I love this stuff. Tap tap tap. And I'm just going to apply to my lips so I can set in my liner. Yep, that's okay. Setting my liner to make, because I don't want it to come off. I'm going to be eating and drinking it and talking and running my mouth, and I got it on my shirt, but that's okay. We're not going to worry about that. Just going to get it off. Okay. Ugh. Whatever. So after I set it, I'm just going to line it again. I'm still experimenting, guys. I'm experimenting. So bear with me. If you guys have any tips, or if I'm doing it wrong, let me know in the comments, because we're all just girls here trying to learn and just be ourselves. A little setting spray, set it in. Cute. How do I look so far? Am I looking okay? I don't know. This is my NYX. This is Milky. It's a cute little pink color I chose. I'm just gonna dab that on. Yes, I love that pink on me. Wearing it by itself, it never looks that great. But when you put that brown liner on, honey. How do you think? What do you think? How do you think? I'm gonna put a little brown sugar on that. Wonderful. I'm winging it at this point. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. This probably makes no sense. What do you guys think? Is it making sense to you? Me and that setting spray. Going back in with a setting powder to set it. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I don't know what the hell I was looking at. So after everything is dried in, I put on some Medicube vitamins. I think this is the C cream. I don't know anymore. Just to brighten. It's a brightening. I'm a huge gua sha person. I love gua sha. I gua sha every day. And I see improvements. Like my face, it's not as puffy as it used to be and inflamed. So please try the gua sha at least once. Try it consistently for at least 2 weeks and see what happens. I think you'll be amazed. Wonderful. Okay. Let's fix that. I'm not putting in my brown contacts, so I'm just gonna stay. Oh my dumb self. How do you forget that the thing is open in your hands? Only me. My Rhode, I put a little bit of Rhode up there just to get because it has little sparkles and I wanted sparkles, little glitters. Putting the glitter up there. Exciting. All right, well, beautiful. My good luck locks. Did you know I had locks? Yes, I had locks. They're my favorite. Always moisturize your locks. I'm going in with some rose water and rosemary mist just to moisturize and wake them up, because it's time. We gotta go. Eyebrows last. I use the Miami Cosmetics eyebrow wax. and it's a really good hold. Unfortunately, I don't know what the heck. I think I left mine open and it turned white, but it still works. I'm not gonna buy another one till I take the last drop out of that. Brushing up and out, and then shaping them. This probably shouldn't have took as long as it did, but I'm human. It is what it is. I would have spent all day on these dang eyebrows. All day. Thank God I didn't. Excuse my background. It's a mess. I'm a mess. I'm just trying to get my life in order with ADHD, y'all. How do I look? I look okay? Don't look. These are the shoes. Simple shoes. Nothing too fancy. Okay. How do I look? Yep. Oh, I almost forgot the freaking mascara. Can't forget the mascara. This is the look that I use when I want to go out and I don't want to put on a lot of makeup. I just do the basic lips, lashes, brows, skincare, and that's it. That's really all I have to do. I'm not doing a lot of crap. I'm 36. I don't have time for all of this, and I want to take a nap. That's all I can think about right now is taking a nap and maybe eating something. I don't know. Okay, bye.